Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Achcha me dry runak, we visited this hospital, Manipal hospital, just to check their preparedness for the dry run and for the further vaccination. And we are happy with the arrangement that they have done. We moved around with Dr. Sarkar. He showed us all the arrangements. We checked the vaccination site, all the vaccination officers in China Alexis kit, what arrangement they have done. Then the observation room, then the waiting room, then the vaccination room, everything we have seen. And everything is as per the guidelines. We bank on Manipal for private sector vaccination. We expect a lot from them so that they लोग सगळे हांगातले आणि vaccination घेऊंक शकतात. Whatever little suggestions we had, we have already given to them. They will give us a compliance report for that also.
We showed them how the things will work out today. Plus आम्ही तांकां एडवर्स इव्हेंट जर जालो म्हणजे कोणाक असो सामको चड शॉकान गेलो आनी सामको पडलो आनी ताका कार्डियक अरेस्ट जालो जाल्यार सुद्दां कशें करतले आमी मॅनेज ताका ती सुद्दां आमी लायव्ह तांकां डेमो दाखयलो. 5 मनीस जाय पयली व्हेरिफिकेशन करता तो, दुसरो तो वॅक्सिनेशन ऑफिसर 1 म्हणटालो व्हेरिफिकेशन कर म्हणजे तूं आयलो न्ही, तूं आयलो तो मोबायल पळयलो तुजे कडेन सगळें आसा काय ना तें पळयलें, तुजे तो फोटो आयडेंटिटी कार्ड आसा काय. फोटो आयडेंटिटी इज इम्पॉर्टंट, नॉट ओन्ली आधार, कसलेंय चलता, फोटो आयडेंटिटी जाय. आनी मागीर लास्ट 30 मिनटां तांकां ऑब्जर्वेशन जाय. थंय 2 जाण आसतले, 2 नर्सीस आनी वन डॉक्टर ऑल्सो इन अराउंड आसतलो.
This first round of immunization is only for healthcare workers. Government all over India will give for healthcare workers only in the first round. Initially, we have selected the beneficiaries of our hospital and we have sent that list that has gone to even central health. Now, in that, we have selected about 453 or something names. Then it depends. Somebody doesn't want to take, then he can always refuse. But these are the beneficiaries, that list we have sent. Now they are having dry run, means it is like a mock trial.